Hello guys, this is Moshumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have come with another haul video for you guys. I hope you guys have loved my last haul video that was on makeup products. So who haven't watched it yet, please go to my description box for the video link. I have put down the link there for you guys. So yeah, you can check it out from there. So today's haul video is on my recent dress collection that is also from Amazon, because there is the Great Indian Festival sale is going on. So I don't think there could be any better chances to grab for shopping. And yeah, so you can't control yourself, at least I couldn't, and now my pocket might be unhappy, but I am happy when I look at them. I am happy. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started and see what other products I have purchased from Amazon during the Great Indian Festival sale. And one more thing, the dresses I will be showing are for the girls next door kind of dresses, because I need to be comfortable while I am traveling in a train, in a bus, wearing those dresses. So yeah, and also you can wear them at your college, at your university. So these dresses are mostly casual dresses. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I will be showing is that jeans jacket. I think 90% of the women must have a jeans jacket in their wardrobe, because it is one of those dresses that goes with any outfit like sari, kurti, top. You can pair it up with any outfit. And also the material of this jacket is quite good. At this price, I totally loved it. And also the jacket is very simple. I don't like too much work on my outfit, so yeah, I chose that very simple outfit without any work on it. So the next one is a top, that is a white top. That top is very stylish. You can pair it up with a sari also. And I think the main attraction of this top is those puff sleeves, which I loved when I first saw it. And also I want to tell you guys one more thing, is that I already had the same top earlier, but it got ruined while I was traveling in a car. So I ordered it again. And one more thing I want to add here is that I had the same top but in different color. Yeah, I have that much love for that kind of style. So yeah. So the next one is a dress, and that is a one piece kind of a dress, but you can pair it up with a leggings or jeans, anything. Whoever follows me on my Instagram account already knows that I have worn that dress during Durga Puja on Dashami, I think. And in that dress also I loved the sleeve more than anything else. It has color options, but I chose that one because I thought that color was quite unique in comparison with the other colors. So yeah, that is why I chose that one. And this is a short dress, but you can pair it up with leggings or jeans, as I said earlier. So the next outfit is a top, and that is a full sleeve top. I ordered mostly the full sleeves outfits because the winter season is coming in, so that is why I kept that thing in my mind, and accordingly I ordered. This top is totally casual and it is very comfortable to wear. Actually, I loved the quality and the style also. But one thing I think I have mistaken is that I should have ordered one size larger than my usual size, so that it would have looked more stylish. The next top is also a full sleeve top. that top is very pretty. I liked the printing on the fabric, and also the quality is quite good. This is very stylish, and at the same time it looks very cute. Apart from the printing, the pleats on the neck and on the sleeves also attracted me while ordering this one. So till now I have talked about only casual outfits which you can wear anytime, any day. But now I will be showing two dresses which are totally festive outfit. I think for me at least they are festive outfit. For Diwali actually I have bought those two outfits. So that is the first kurti which you guys have already seen me wearing in my birthday video. I so loved the quality of this kurti. That is, the material is pure cotton, which I didn't expect first of all, and also that work on the sleeve and on the bottom line is a really attractive one. You guys have no idea how much I love long kurtas, but as my height is not that much, I am 5'1", so I can't wear them because most of the kurtas I buy and I need to cut them from the lower portion, and that doesn't look good at all. So that is why I need to choose very wisely while buying long kurtas. And fortunately these two kurtas are perfectly going with my height, so whoever is 5'1", 5'2" can definitely wear these long kurtas. So yeah, and the last one is that one. I actually loved the pant more than the kurta because the color, the print, everything is so good now. It is looking so stylish, at the same time it is looking so traditional. I love that one. And this is looking so fabulous, guys. I think this is the most favorite till now. And the quality and the fitting, everything is so good. I didn't expect that much, seriously. And the color combination is also so good, you know. But I think I'm not being able to showcase the whole outfit properly. But there is no one also to help me right now. So yeah, but I think I could give an overall idea about this outfit so far. And now if you are thinking that I'm done with that haul video, then you are highly mistaken, because I have bought dresses for Diwali. How can I not buy some jewelries? Yeah. So yeah, I have bought 4 jewelries for this Diwali. One is that silver jewelry. I love wearing heavy silver jewelries, and I think that neck piece will perfectly go with that yellow outfit which I have shown earlier. So for that one I have ordered this neck piece, which I loved. The quality, the design, everything is really nice. Next, the jewelries I have, you guys have seen me wearing this kind of jewelries multiple times because I love them more than the silver jewelries. Yeah. So the first one is this one. So I have linked down below of all the products. You can check them out in the description box, and also let me know what are the things you guys have purchased during the Great Indian Festival sale which is going on Amazon. So let me know in the comment section also, and also let me know which one is your favorite out of all these products, whichever I have shown you guys till now. So this is finally it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this entire haul video. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see more haul videos on my channel, and also let me know on which products I should do haul videos more. So thank you so much for watching this video. whoever is new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. And thanks a million times to the people who have already subscribed to my channel, and thank you so much. I can't tell you guys in words how much thankful I am to you guys. And also like and share this video with your friends and family so that they might get helped with this video. And thank you so much for watching till the end. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.